Is your PC ready for that Black Friday / Cyber Monday upgrade special that you plan to get this year? If your PC is like my editing PC, probably not. You might need to upgrade your PC now to make a Black Friday / Cyber Monday upgrade special possible. This week I replaced the Roswell Glacier 500 watt power supply with the EVGA Supernova GA 850 watt power supply. I'll be able to get that Black Friday / Cyber Monday upgrade special without blowing up my power supply. If you haven't seen my technology videos, a link to the playlist is in the description below. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. The Roswell Glacier 500 watt power supply was a Newegg Black Friday special that I got for $25 in 2018. A semi-modular bronze power supply with motherboard power, 1 CPU power, 2 PCIe, and 5 SATA connectors. A great low power supply for the last 3 years, but not for the next 10 years. According to the Be Quiet Power Calculator, my PC will need more power if I expand beyond what I have. If I replace the Ryzen 7 2700 with the Ryzen 7 5800X, processor wattage increases from 65 watts to 105 watts. A new video card will require more power and more PCIe connectors than the Radeon RX 570. The MSI Tomahawk X570 motherboard in my PC had an 8-pin and a 4-pin CPU power connector. The power supply had only an 8-pin CPU connector. The motherboard ran fine without the 4-pin CPU connector plug-in. Unless you're doing liquid nitrogen overclocking, you don't need the second CPU connector. A future motherboard upgrade will probably have 2 8-pin CPU connectors. The EVGA Supernova GA 850 watt power supply was a Newegg Labor Day special that I got for $115. A great deal since the regular price is $160. A modular Go power supply with motherboard, 2 CPU, 6 PCIe, and 9 SATA connectors. This power supply does have a known issue. If you're overclocking an Intel 10900K CPU and or an NVIDIA 3080 video card, overcurrent protection will shut down or reboot the PC. OCP should prevent your power supply from blowing up. EVGA will provide a replacement under RMA for effective owners. The problem that I found on the power supply test was a 70 millisecond GP signal. GP, or good power, signal should be 100 to 500 milliseconds according to the spec. I've read some user reviews that power supplies with low GP signal worked fine for them. I haven't noticed any problems on my PC. The big challenge was installing a new power supply was redoing the cable management. Since I had more SATA connectors, I was able to remove the 2 splitter cables I was using. I removed the SATA to fan splitter cable for the Be Quiet Pure Loop AIO. If I bumped the right side panel, the cold plate light and the pump would turn off. I plugged those connectors into the fan headers on the motherboard. I also replaced the Arctic F12 120mm fans with the Be Quiet Pure Winds 2 120mm fans. Upgrading a power supply requires a lot of hard work for no obvious performance increase. With the power supply upgrade out of the way, I can look forward to getting that Black Friday / Cyber Monday upgrade special. That's it for today's show. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.